Tired of boring walls and bland spaces? Let's level up your home with fun, family-friendly DIY decor. You won't believe how easy and affordable it can be. First up, gather the crew for a painted wall art project. All you need is a big canvas, some painter's tape, and your favorite colors. Let your kids go wild with shapes and patterns. It's amazing what a little paint can do. Next, let's create custom photo frames. Grab old frames, some craft paper, and glue. Decorate together with stickers, doodles, or dried flowers. Pop in your favorite family photos and instantly warm up your walls. Want more flair? Try a DIY pillow cover. Use fabric markers or iron-on patches to personalize plain pillowcases. Let everyone design their own for unique, cozy touch in the living room or bedroom. And finally, don't forget the plants. Paint flower pots as a family, then add easy care houseplants. It's a simple way to bring life and color into any space. So, gather your family, unleash your creativity, and give your home a fresh, personal vibe. One DIY EI project at a time.